Hello, Edmodo family. It is Shala Hannon coming before you again to share with you one of my favorite Edmodo features. This will be the message feature within the program. With the Edmodo messaging option, it allows direct communication with students, parents, and other teacher connections. It also helps establish safety and trust. It allows support for students privately and helps build self esteem. It also offers an additional option for clarifying understanding. And within this program, there is also a group messaging feature where you can message multiple parties at once. Hang on 1 second while we head over to see this in action. We are now at the home screen of Edmodo, and here is the messages tool. Within this tool, here my students just inquire and ask for information. Mrs. Hannon, what is the login for Newzilla? So we can clarify that they are having some trouble and they don't understand how to get in. At this point, I will respond and give them those details and those instructions. Easy. You also can do group messaging. For example, if I wanted to message my team, and it is as simple as that. I hope this was informative and you learned something. Have a great day.